Hey guys, what's up? This is Phil. And if you're one of the lucky people who received your Quest 3 earlier than everybody else, besides the people that are on YouTube, you might have an issue that you're running into. And that issue is not being able to pair your headset despite doing all the different troubleshooting recommendations that are found either on their website or other locations that you could find on the internet. Well, the issue that's persisting, or that's what I'm experiencing actually, is that my headset can't pair with my mobile phone. I am waiting for, but before I say what it is, so I had the pleasure of speaking to one of the support teams for MetaQuest, and they kindly provided the information that would help put us into perspective of why the issue is occurring and why some of you may be encountering this issue kind of in the offset of this release. So why don't I just tell you or say verbatim what the support person told me. And so here it is. So regarding your concern, please take note. Update V57 is expected to be released around the time of the MetaQuest 3 release. The MetaQuest 3 release date, which is October 11th, 2023, and will make this headset pairing process consistent for MetaQuest 2, 3, and MetaQuest Pro. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to post this video as soon as possible because I know there might be a lot of people that are upset or they don't understand why, or you're in that process of returning it. I think just kind of hold your breath for a little bit longer, and we might get to the surface of all this in due time. So like I said, they told me October 11th. They didn't give me a specific time. My guess is that they're going to be rolling out this update over a period of several, throughout the day. So just kind of wait for that. But otherwise, I was hoping that my buddy was going to be able to try the Quest 3. However, we're just in that situation right now that we're in a little bit of a stalemate. But I think once we cross that little obstacle, we're going to get to enjoy it. But I can already tell you right now, despite that, going through the beginning portion of setting it up, it's very impressive. Especially since I've been someone who's seen virtual reality evolve from the HTC Vive and then going into now the Quest 3, and it's made some major leaps and bounds, and I think this is going to be one of the best go-to items this year, especially since some of my buddies who I didn't expect to purchase it actually purchased it. So, and I cussed them out for it, but that's okay. It's all in good fun. I'm hoping to catch them in the virtual space and have some good clean fun. All right, guys, take care. If you guys want me to make a video about kind of the process I did before I contacted support, let me know and I'll make a video for you. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you very much.